Okay. In this session, we will discuss about the Unix and what is the difference between Windows operating system and the Unix operating system. How it's going to useful for the Informatica developer. So now we'll see these things in this session. So Unix is a operating system. Already we know that it's an operating system like a Windows. Okay. So then what is the difference between Unix and Windows? So we have some differences, major differences. So Windows is an operating system and Unix also one of the operating system. And Windows is closed source. Closed source means if you want to use this Windows operating system, you have to buy this license and you can use the software. It's a commercial. And when coming to the Unix operating system, it is a open source. So it's freely available in the internet. And when coming to the Windows operating system, so it has low security system. And coming to the Unix, so it has very high secure system. And coming to the Windows operating system, it is not a command-based operating system. So it's a type of like GUI, graphical user interface. So it is very comfortable to the user who are using this operating system. Okay. And here also we have CLI, command line interface is also there, but very less usage. So it is more usage and user friendly. Okay. So when coming to the Unix operating system, it is a command-based operating system. Okay, it's a command-based operating system where we can use the CLI mostly, more usage. Okay. So these are the basic differences between Windows and Unix. Here, what is Linux means? Linux is one of the clone version of Unix. Okay. So by using Linux, Linux is, so it's like, it supports the GUI. So Linux supports GUI. Okay. So Linux supports GUI. Okay. Now, so why we need to learn the Unix or Unix commands as an Informatica developer? So that is the question. Why we need to learn Unix. So here we have two types of reasons. So for that we need to learn the Unix as an Informatica developer. So first one is an Informatica server will be installed under Unix. That is the main reason. Installed under Unix operating system. So that's why we need to learn the Unix. So second reason is So we already know that in the task, we have a command task in Informatica. So if you want to perform the command task in Informatica, so we have some idea about the Unix commands and all. So that's why we need to learn the Unix commands. Okay. So command task in Informatica. So because of these reasons, you need to learn the Unix as a Informatica developer. Okay. Then, okay, now we'll see the different types of Unix tools are available. So first one is 50. It is a CLI tool, command line interface tool, and WinSCP, that is a GUI tool, graphical user interface tool. And here we need server. So for that, I'm installing this Linux U. So if you go through the internet, it is available. You just register under this Linux U, and you can perform the operations through these tools, PuTTY and WinSCP. Okay, hope you clear.